Hey, if you're watching this right now, I want you to know I see you. I know what it's like to have one of those days in the market where nothing goes right and you're just staring at your screen thinking, why am I doing this, right? I've been there more than once. It can feel like you're drowning, like there's no light, no hope, no land. But I want to tell you something that someone once told me when I needed it the most. And that's why I'm telling you right now. The shore is just around the corner. You just can't see it yet. The moment you are in right now, it's not the end. It's part of the journey. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or like you're all alone in this, you are not. Message me on Discord, message me on Insta. Seriously, I'll be there. Okay? Sometimes you just need to talk to someone who understands the grind, the pressure, the pain of the red day. It's okay. You can talk to me. And hey, maybe you just need a break. That's okay too. If your head's not in the right space, take a day off. Don't force trade. Don't chase losses. Don't risk more when your emotions are not in control. Okay? That is how you spiral. Instead, focus on small wins for the next couple of days. Just get a couple of green days under your belt. Not a big win, just consistency. That confidence, it will come back. And before you know it, that rough patch will feel like a distant memory. And remember this because it's the most important thing I've learned, okay? A good trader is just a good risk manager. Risk management is what keeps you in the game long enough to win. If you can protect your capital, you are already ahead of 90% of the traders, okay? So don't quit. Please don't quit. Take a breath, reset, reach out if you need to, comment below, I'll respond back to you, but stay in the game because your breakthrough might be just one trade away. Okay? I'm rooting for you always. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.